welcome back to my channel. It's me, Maggie. The time has come again. The dreadful but also satisfying time of organizing a makeup drawer in my collection. This is what I call my lipstick drawer, but it's like lipstick, lip gloss, lip oils, you know, you get the vibe. It is a pit of what? I don't know. There's probably way too much in here that's old and untouched because I don't know what's in my collection. And it's too overwhelming, and I usually just end up using the same five things every time. So I had left over from my foundation declutter these pink separators. So I figured it out, and I was able to, you know, measure one at lipstick and then just do the same thing all the way through. It definitely works if you make sure you measure it and do it beforehand so you don't struggle as much as I did last time. They're pretty easy to trim. You just cut a little and then you can snap it off. I did end up running out, but that's fine because I did have a bunch of those like acrylic lipstick holders, so I had extra to go through. After I gave it a good scrub, I was able to put some of them away. I tried to do it by brand, so L'Oreal together, e.l.f. together, Maybelline together. Basically anything that was a similar brand, I tried to do that. All my ColourPops together. If there was like, I just tried to do the ones that I either wore the most towards the front and the ones I didn't wear as much towards the back. So like a lot of lip glosses I put towards the back because I definitely do not gravitate towards those on a daily basis. I'm more of a matte lip girly, or a tinted balm if I'm like really lazy. But this is really satisfying. Not only am I able to see everything, I got rid of, I want to say, here you'll see it soon, a giant bucket worth of Maggie makeup. If you look at your makeup and you can remember when you bought that and it was more than 5 years ago, get rid of it, because I was ashamed to say that I can remember buying half of these in college or even in high school, which that's embarrassing. So we're going to get rid of the junk that's not serving any purpose in our life, just like that job I'm about to quit. Ooh, parallel. But anyways, look at all that. It's just cluttering the life up. I don't need it. And look how much more satisfying you can grab things that maybe you don't use on a daily basis. And now I'm going to be using more of my collection. It's true what they say, if you have a cluttered world, your mind is going to be cluttered, because these last few months I feel like I've gotten really bad at like trying to keep up after myself. I'm trying to get better at it because I'm not an unclean person. I just can be, I don't know, I think I have ADHD. It's hard for me to focus on things, especially if I'm really stressed and feeling overwhelmed, and my clutter can make me feel overwhelmed so much that I'll just ignore it. And now look at my collection. My lipsticks are all nice and organized. I'm feeling more like at ease of what my decision is with the job that I currently have that I'm going to be quitting. I'm trying to stay positive because mental health really does matter, and if you're unhappy somewhere, you gotta fix it, or you're just gonna stay stuck and keep complaining about that job that you hate. And I've applied to a few places, so I'm hoping I hear from one of them. But anyways, I don't know how I got off on that tangent. It's just nice to talk it out when you're feeling lost and struggling on the decisions that you're making. But like I said, I did end up using those little acrylic little organizers towards the sides, and they're almost the same size as those little squares that I ended up making, so that was nice. And that way I don't have to buy any more. If I want to do more of my collection later, I will get some more of these because they are really handy. And these little acrylic ones, I try to put all my Rem Beauty plumping lip glosses or things I want to use more. I usually, in one of my drawers, have all my Rem Beauty stuff together, but I feel like I forget about it when it's just down there. So I decided to just start putting all of my Rem Beauty and like all my lip products in one spot instead of trying to like keep all my Rem Beauty stuff together, because it is one of my favorite brands, but we can be more organized. We don't have to make everything a certain way, because the certain way I was doing was making it harder than it needed to be. Here's the final look. I even have more space. Here's a little before and then a nice little transition to the after. I did not do a great job like showing the after, I'm not gonna lie. I think I thought I was filming and I didn't, but that's okay. I got this little cute shot in slow-mo, and it's also organized and beautiful. Sorry I didn't like show you each product I got rid of or what products I have. I just felt like it would have taken forever, and a lot of it was so old I just don't feel like it mattered. It was all going straight to the trash can anyways. And most of the stuff is stuff that I use in videos or I'm about to use in videos anyways, so you'll see it eventually. We'll do a more advanced deep dive into things like concealer or lashes or powders or bronzers or blushes, because those are more fun to look at anyways, because let's be real, I do buy a lot of the same colors, so it's probably good that I went through a declutter. This is going to be your little send-off kitten exit. I've showed the flip before, but Rainbow Felix is everything, and I hope you have a beautiful day or night wherever you are. Don't forget to like and comment below. Hopefully this inspired you to clean. Bye!